Okay, what if I told you that one of my biggest mistakes this year came from being too confident and too optimistic about my journey? Hi, I'm Sashankita, and today I'll tell you how I almost dodged a bullet in What No One Tells You When You Are a New Entrepreneur, episode 8. सो कहते हैं कि अगर आप लो फील कर रहे होते हो तो शुड नॉट टेक एनी मेजर डिसीजंस बट अगर आप पॉजिटिव या एनर्जेटिक फील कर रहे होते हो तो यूजुअली ऐसा कुछ डिस्क्लेमर नहीं होता है बट फ्रॉम माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस आई कैन से कि आप जब ऐसे बहुत हाई या लो फील कर रहे हो तो आपको ऐसे मेजर डिसीजंस नहीं लेने चाहिए हियर्स वाई. So this year beginning, I and my business partner decided to rent an office space and we both were running high on ambitions and clearly we did not think it through. So we rented the space, paid the security deposit, first month's rent and the brokerage fee. Now the place was quite nice and cozy and we had even rented furnitures from rentmojo.com, which by the way is a great portal to rent furnitures from if you're looking for a temporary space because they have a variety of options and quite a reasonable price range. They also have hassle-free refund policies and their customer service is 10 on 10. Totally impressed. सो इतने तामझाम के बाद पता चला कि लैंडलॉर्ड को एग्रीमेंट ड्राफ्ट करने में दिक्कत हो रही है क्योंकि मैं और मेरे बिजनेस पार्टनर मैरिड नहीं है सो ओनली वन ऑफ अस कैन बी लिस्टेड एज अ टेनेंट एंड दिस obviously did not sit right with us. And by that time, we also had this mutual realization कि ये बहुत ही गलत decision ले लिया था हम लोगों ने. Because logistically, that location was so far away from where I stay that I knew deep down that I wouldn't be able to make it there most days of the week. And over time, it would put a huge financial strain on us. So we stepped back, and the landlord was kind enough, touchwood, to refund the entire amount. We, however, lost the brokerage fee, and I cannot disclose the amount because हमारे families को ये पता नहीं है. मतलब अभी तक तो नहीं था. So, I mean, it is what it is, and it is not that great, I know. But this is how you learn and grow as an entrepreneur and as an individual. So tell me, what is the biggest mistake you have done so far in your journey? Chalo, quickly get into the comments and get all the skeletons out. Bye.